So once again, hello everybody. Okay, I start by saying this only. Okay. So here we are in exercise 8A, as I said. Okay, exercise 8A. This pen is quite darker than the previous one. Exercise 8A, and we are dealing with profit, loss, and discount. Profit, loss, and discount. Okay. So profit, loss and discount, and we shall start from question number 8. Here we shall start from number 8 because as I had told you, we had done most of our sums in our previous session. So the selling price of the sofa set is 4 by 5 times of its cost price, and they have not given the cost price only. Okay. So, okay, however, let the cost price be rupees 100. See, I could have taken x also, but here you can take 100 also. That will really make your sum easier. So let the cost price be rupees 100, and they say that the selling price of this sofa set, अच्छा पूरा set ही खरीद लिया, sofa set is 4 by 5 times its cost price, that is 100. ठीक है, okay. 5 2 times 10, that is 4 2s are 80. So the cost price is 100 and the selling price is rupees 80. हाँ, तो improper fraction क्या है, proper fraction में if he will sell, he will incur loss only. Find the gain or the loss as percentage. The beta loss is there. Who said the gain is there? Loss is equal to loss is equal to how much? CP minus SP. Of course, CP is more than the selling price. So loss is equal to rupees 20. ठीक है. So loss percent will be equal to how much? Loss percent will be equal to loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100 equal to 20%. See, you can directly write 20% also. Why? Because here your cost price is 100. That is why you can write directly as 20%. But I will not give you this benefit in the other sums. For example, I'll show you. Okay. However, let us do few more sums like number 9. The cost price of an article is 4 by 5 times of its selling price. Okay. So let its selling price be 100. Let the selling price of article, कितना तेज है, नाम ही नहीं लेता, article, which article they are buying. The cost price, number 9. The cost price of an article is 4 by 5 times of its selling price. Let the selling price be rupees 100. So the cost price, according to the question, the cost price is equal to how much? 4 by 5 times 100. So 5 2s are 10, 0, 4 2s are 8, rupees 80. So find the loss or gain. What do you think? Loss or gain? So here gain will be there because selling price is more. So gain is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to how much? 100 minus 80 is equal to rupees 20. So gain percent will be equal to how much? Gain percent will be equal to gain by cost price into 100. अच्छा, gain बेटा कितना? 20. Cost price how much? 80 times 100. Here you cannot write directly as 20%, which right now I saw in the previous sum. तो ये सब गलत बात है. 2 4 times 4 25 is equal to 25%. See, some mistake can be done even by me also. Okay, but those will be minor one, and please do not keep on shouting. Number 11. Okay. See, kitna आसान है ना. Please do not keep shouting. I am saying please also and commanding also. The cost. This is the power. This is called the power of English. Okay. Number 11. The cost price of an article is 90% of its selling price. Do you know the selling price? No. So let the selling price of the article, let me choose another pen. I am not happy with this one. Selling price of the article is how much? Selling price of the article is equal to 100. Good. So the cost price is, therefore, the cost price equal to 90% of 100. So 90% of 100 equal to 90, or what? What is the profit or the loss? Profit is there. Profit. Selling price is more than the cost price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. Rupees 10. Here you can write rupees also. Rupees. So profit percentage will be equal to profit by cost price into 100. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, काटो. Simple. 100 by 9. How much? 9 11 times 99, 1 by 9%. Simple. No tension at all. Come to number 12. Which number? 12. The cost price of an article is 30% less than the selling price. The cost price of an article is 30% less than the selling price. Do you know the selling price? You do not know the selling price. So take the selling price as 100 and solve it. So it's better I start with 13. Here, so सारे काम मैं ही करूँ. A shopkeeper bought 300 eggs at 80 paisa each. So the number of eggs bought equal to 300 at a rate how much? At a rate 80 paisa each. 80 paisa each. Therefore, the cost price of 300 eggs will be 300 into 80 paisa. 80 paisa is equal to 8 3s are 24, 000 paise or rupees 240 when you will divide this by 100. 30 eggs were broken. Number of eggs broken equal to 30. So when 30 eggs were broken in the transit, इधर से उधर ले जाने में, so remaining egg is how much? RE. Remaining eggs will be 300 minus 30 equal to 270. अभी अंडा वाला so clever, he will earn profit from this 270 eggs only, फूटने के बाद भी. And then the selling price of each egg, selling price of one egg equal to rupee 1. Therefore, selling price of 270 eggs will be equal to how much? Will be equal to rupees 270. Yani after buying the eggs, this fellow, he bought the entire egg at rupees 240 और जो remaining eggs बचा, he sold it at rupees 270. तो बेटा gain कितना होगा? Gain is equal to 270 minus 240 equal to rupees 30. Find the gain percent. वही नौटंकी. Gain percent is equal to gain by cost price into 100. ठीक है? Let me see if it gets cancelled. 3 how many times? 3 8s are, and then 4 2 times, 4 25 times, 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 will give you how much? You calculate it. 12 1 by 2 percentage. This also in percentage. 12 1 by 2%. 12.5% का profit कमा लिया. क्या बात है. Come to number 14. A man sold his bicycle for rupees 405. These two sums are important. Okay. So the man sold his bicycle at rupees selling price of bicycle equal to rupees 405. ठीक. Losing 1/10 of its cost price. So loss is equal to 1/10 of cost price. Here you cannot take cost price as 100. Okay. Here you can, because you are being asked to find out the cost price. That is why. So let the cost price be X. So come on, let us start our drama, that let cost price is equal to X. Therefore loss will be equal to X by 10. 1/10 of cost price will be X by 10. So cost price is equal to X. Loss is given. Can't you find the selling price? What do you think? The selling price will be more or less? Naturally, when there is a loss, so selling price will be less. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Try to understand the fundamental. So cost price equal to X minus X by 10 equal to 9X by 10. So this is the selling price, and they are saying that the selling price is 405. According to the question, the selling price 9X by 10 equal to 405. So X will be equal to 405 multiplied by 10 divided by 9. 9 how many times? 9 4 times 36. 9 5s are 45 equal to rupees 450 is the selling price of the article. Is the selling price, is the cost price of the article, because X is the cost price है ना. ठीक है, चलो क्या बात है. Are they asking the loss percent also? So loss percent you cannot find out. Loss percent will be equal to loss by CP into 100. So loss is how much? 45. X by 10 is your loss. Loss by CP. Loss by CP. CP is how much? CP is how much? 450. 450 into 100. 45 10 times 0 gone 10%. कमाल हो गया, कमाल हो गया. ठीक है, come on, one more, number 15 I will do. Very few minutes are left. A man sold a radio set for rupees 200. It's the same type. चलो बना ही देते हैं यार. Sold a radio set for rupees 200. Selling price of radio set is equal to rupees 250. And what he gains, how much? Gains 1 by 9 of its cost price. Do you know the cost price? No, I do not know. So let cost price is equal to x. So my gain will be equal to x by 9. So my selling price will be equal to, क्या होगा? ज़्यादा होगा ना बेटा when gain हो रहा है भाई, तो सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू CP प्लस गेन, मतलब x प्लस एक्स बाई 9 इक्वल टू 9x प्लस x 10x by 9. This is your selling price. This one is the selling price. And they have given you, according to the question, that selling price जो कि 10x by 9 है is equal to 250. So x will be equal to 250 into 9 by 10. Oh, so this x is equal to how much? 9 5s are 9 5s are 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 22. 225 is your cost price. Rupees. This is your cost price. Any problem? Or why the same thing? Find the profit percent. So don't you know the profit? Profit is equal to how much? So gain is equal to how much? Gain is equal to, यहाँ पे देखिए ना, x by 9. Gain equal to x by 9, मतलब 225 by 9, isn't it? So 9 how many times? 9 2s are 18. 45. 9 5s are 45. Gain equal to rupees 25. Therefore gain percent will be equal to gain by cost price. का कितने है? इतने है 225 into 100. 25 how many times? 25 कितना बार में? 4 4 8 1 9 बार में बेटा, 9 बार में, 9 बार में. Yes. So 100 by 9 equal to how much? 100 by 9 by 11. Yes, 11 1 by 9%. ये होना चाहिए. अगर गलती होगी तो I am very very sorry. Okay. Stay tuned for the next exercise. Thank you.